Now state true or false. The first one is RAM stands for random access memory. What is the true one? Random access memory. So this is false. The next is 1 byte is equals to 10 bits. No, this is also false. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. Now, third one, a computer can understand only two states, on or off. On represented by 0 and 1, off is represented by 1. No, off is represented by 0 and on is represented by 1. This is also false. Now the fourth. It is easier and faster to access data from external memory. No, this is also false. It is easier to access data from internal memory. Now the fifth one. Internal memory stores information for a longer period. No, it stores data for only some time. Data for only some time. Now, application based question. Aryan could not finish his project work in class, so he wants to carry the soft copy of the project to his house to finish it. Which device will you suggest him to copy his work? To move your data from your workplace to home. Which one is the very smallest and easy to carry device? That is pen drive. That is pen drive. Now the next is Raghav wants to copy 3 movies on a disc from his friend as he wants to watch them at his place. Which storage device will you suggest him to copy all the movies? Which storage device you will use? I would suggest you to use digital versatile disk. Now the next is multiple choice question. The instructions stored in dash cannot be changed but can only be read. Yes, the answer is RAM. No, the answer is ROM. Can only be read but we cannot make any changes. That is read only memory. The answer is ROM. Now the next is name the CD on which data can be erased and rewritten many times. The CD ROM. This is read only memory. CD-R. This is CD reader. This is CD-RW, reader and writer. The answer is CD-RW. Now the next is a flash drive can store up to 2 terabyte of data. How much data it can store? It can store up to 2 terabyte of data. Now the fourth one, internal memory is also known as, what is the other name of internal memory? Main memory, primary memory, or both A and B. I told you in the class that main memory is having two names, that is primary and internal memory. Fifth one, the data stored in the computer memory is measured in bytes, points, or pixel. It is measured in bytes, that is 8 bits. 1 byte is equals to 8 bits. Which storage device has the highest storage capacity? CD, pen drive, or hard disk? The answer is hard disk. Okay children, now matching. Match the following. You are having 4 points on the left side and 4 points in the right side. You have to match them. External memory. Information stored temporarily? No, it is stored permanently. Secondary memory? Yes, this is first. Blu-ray disc. The size is about 128 GB. This is second. DVD. Digital versatile disc. Information stored temporarily? No. The answer is its size is up to 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Now RAM, that is information stored temporarily. Okay children, do this worksheet in your handouts assigned to you. Bye bye, take care.